How y'all doing today? I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Did y'all miss me? We had a snowstorm, so yeah. Snowstorm. What are we doing today? Well, the past couple of weeks, I've been doing a lot of crocheting, and I just thought I'd babble about it a little bit since I miss my YouTube family. Hi. I've been playing on TikTok a lot. Sorry. But I got the wild Orleando, Oleander scarf, hooded scarf. I got that pattern. And I made Arthur a little scarf, hooded scarf. Look how cute. Look how cute it is. Y'all like it? It's cute, isn't it? I'm gonna make a couple more of those. Because I scaled that one down like I do. And then I made a big one, and it's just, oh, it's huge. Let me just, I'll put up here what I look like. Yeah, it's huge. Anyways, I'm not sure if I'm going to finish this or not because it's so big, but I'm almost out of yarn for that one. But I made, didn't use a pattern except for part of this. I made Oblina. Look at Oblina. I did use a pattern for the lips. The lips, why am I lisping today? My mouth is dry. I used a pattern for the lips, but not really. I sort of just used it as a gauge, and the rest I just tried on my own. I need to put wire in her eyes, but look at her. Look how cute. Comment down below in the comment section if you know where she's from. Let me know. That's all I have for you today. I've been playing on TikTok, and I've got a bunch of crocheting projects that I've seen on TikTok. Oh, TikTok made me buy a yarn winder. I got a yarn winder too. Finally, I've been wanting one for ages, and I finally broke down and got one. But that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to come in and say hi and babble, just a little bit of babbling. I don't have any tutorials to put up right now, so I felt bad putting up a long video without a tutorial or anything, so I just thought I'd show you Oblina. I think I'm gonna make Crumb next, and then Icarus. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. Do all the things, subscribe, all the things. Y'all have a great day, and stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.